Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY turban wig. So you can see what I'm doing. I use a pen to demarcate where I want the braid to reach. So you don't need to do this from the beginning. After you finish sewing this wig cap on the turban cap, then you can do that, because I did that again. So now I'm putting the wig cap on the turban so that I'm going to sew it down. What you see me doing now is just sewing the tip of the turban. I'm attaching it to the wig cap. By the time I fold the cap over, the sewing won't show at all. That is why you have to sew the tip. Then you have to be careful on how you sew it so that the turban won't shrink. Do you grab that so that after you finish sewing, so that it will still be your size? Do you grab that? If you're any subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And if you've not subscribed, stop peeping from the window. Kindly please click on that subscribe button now to support your girl. To subscribe is free. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop a new video. So you can see what I'm doing now. I use the pen to form the circle where I'm going to be sewing. So I follow the line I use the pen in drawing. So that is how I'm going to do. After I'm done sewing it down, I'm going to be cutting the excess part where I didn't sew down. I'm going to be cutting it away. We don't need that. I prefer this method than me using a gum glue in gluing the hair down, because if I am not interested in having any braids on this turban, I can easily take it down and rock my turban like that. So I prefer this method than me gluing it down. To glue it down also is good. This method is good because if you use a crochet hair and you want to reuse it again, you can easily take down the crochet hair and reuse it. And if you are tired of rocking this style, you can easily take the hair down from the turban and rock your turban like that. I'm making use of Brazilian wool. The total amount of Brazilian wool I used was 4. I make use of 3 black, then 1 gold. I didn't even finish the gold color. I didn't even use up to half. And the length of this hair was really not really over, but it was long. So you can see what I'm doing. I've already done the first track. Then the second track will be at the middle. You can see I've already used my hand to demonstrate how you're going to do that. I crochet with 5 strands of Brazilian wool, then I braid down with 5 strands of Brazilian wool also. So total strand of Brazilian wool I used was 10 strands. After I crochet with 5 strands of Brazilian wool, I braid with 5 strands of Brazilian wool. If you are still watching to this extent, Thank you so much for supporting the sis. I really appreciate. I hope not only support, I hope you learn one or two things from this video. And if you achieve this kind of hairstyle, kindly tag me on Instagram. Let me see how gorgeous this came out. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below. I'll put it on the screen also. Thank you so much for watching. So I keep braiding to the tip. You can see I knot it once, then I use 2 strands to knot it. After that, then I'm going to tie it twice or 3 times or so. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. After I'm done with the braid, we have to add some spice, as in add some sauce by adding beads towards the end. You can see I cut a little amount of the excess Brazilian wool away, then so that the beads will fit in perfectly well. Do you grab that? Then after that, I'm going to use a rubber band to hold the tip down. That is all. Now we're going to see the final look towards the end of this video. I fell in love with this hair. This hair turned out so beautiful. I'm going to be rocking this a lot, but we are in quarantine, so where did I want to go to? But I'm still going to be rocking it around the house. You can tie any hair scarf of your choice with this hairstyle. Now, final look. Oh my god, I love the final look of it. Can you see? I really add some spice by using my Ankara prints just to make it look more beautiful. So now without the Ankara print, it's so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Please please support your girl by giving this video each thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao, love you. Mwah.